Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulillah. In today's lesson, I'd like to show you how we can create our own prototype. What's prototype? If we select this beam and we make a drawing, you see, it's any kind of drawing. We just choose my own assembly, my own drawing style. This one I made before, and I can change its prototype for modify, and let's go to this one I made also before. So just click OK. After we create our drawing, okay, and let's say this one, show assembly detail. After we creating, this is the prototype. You see the sorry, this is the this one and this one and that one and its dimensions. You see the dimension styles. This is the prototype. You see this lines is here, this lines is here also. This is the prototype. How we can create our own prototype? It's very easy in advanced still. In this lesson I would like to show you this lesson. Okay, so let's start. At first you can go to output, and from here edit a prototype. You can choose any one of these prototype and you can create another one. You can create a copy and modify it. For example, I want to start from this one because this is A3 for the page dimensions or page size. Just create copy and right click, paste here. I want to rename it so I can recognize it later. For example, any name you can name it with it. Let's say course or test assembly A3 and copy. You can delete this one. Okay, so we have this one, test assembly A3. Just open it. As you see, in our prototype is we have like these notes here and these descriptions, index or author, date, description. We have this type of data. When we create any drawing with this prototype, it gives us like this. It gives us the drawing inside this prototype. Let's try. So let's create this one and create assembly drawing. Use, you can modify again. Just go to prototype where our prototype is test assembly A3. Okay, just wait a little bit. Okay, right click and assembly number 2. As you see, this is the exactly like the prototype that we choose before. Okay, it's very good. This is the scale, this is the detail here, it's everything. How we can modify this? Just close this one. No, go to this file. For example, I don't want this. I want to delete them, and also this one I don't want. I want to delete them. So I want to modify this one, and by the way, this is the quantity and this is the lists and the quantities of the material. I can delete this one also, and I will bring my own. So I have this one. This is for the prototype, and this is for the descriptions and date. I want to delete this one also. I want to work just here. Okay, as you see, this I have block. Okay, this I have a block. So just double click. It gives you every tags and every prompts. Okay, just explode this one, X space, for exploding this one, and now you can bring any data that you want. Okay, for example, I don't want Autodesk, I want to remove it from assembly drawing. This is just a text. By the way, as you see here, this one and this one and this one, these are tags, so it gives the information inside Advanced Steel. But for example, project and starts date, client, comment, and these are only just a text, okay. So from this one, for example, just double click here, you see it's attribute definition. Its tag is the material, so it gives me the object material. Okay, how can I know these tags in Advanced Steel? It's pretty easy. You can just search for Advanced Steel tokens, and you can find everything. As you see, I found this one on internet here, just by writing Advanced Steel token, and you can click here and you can find every single thing that you want. Okay, for example, if you want to the project name, you can just write project in capital, and project number, you can just click like this, client name, building name, location of the building, you can just write these tokens. Okay, detailer, designer, model, drawing number, position number, anything that you want. For example, scale, material, anything that you want, you can bring from here. Okay, so let's just start to rearrange this drawing. For example, what I want, if I say I want, I can make another line, no problem. CO for copy, let's say 20, the 20 between spacing between them. After that, copy it. Let's say I want to only this one. I can delete this one. Okay. What I can put here, like this. So this, let's say we want like this thing. From here, I can bring a position name. Okay, position number. As you see, just I can move it, position number, and let's say we have here detailer, designed by and detailed by, and maybe the client name or project name, anything. We can bring what we can bring another thing, and we can change it later, no problem. Let's say we want client, so just move this one or copy this one, no problem. You see the text is very small, or I think our rectangle is very big, not the text. Anyhow, we can change this one. Just select them, PR for properties, and click this one, and for the height you can change it to 5. I think it's 5 is very, it will be very big, no problem. Again, for the client I want to change it to 5. So now what I want to bring this one to here. So it's like this, and just make it like this. I can copy this one, just go by copy, CO for here and for here. From here I will say designed by, designed by, and here I just want to move like this, designed by. I will search for design from here. I know that it's token, but I want to show you how we can bring it. As you see, it's checked by, here is the designer, so I just copy this one, and from here double click, just paste here, and you can paste here also. Okay, I'm sorry, here I think I have to remove this space here. Okay, so this is the designer. This designer will not appear when we make a block, okay? So we don't have any problem with it. Then I have to make it up a little bit. And designed by, maybe this one detailed by, so again I want to search for detailer here, just copy this one and double click, Ctrl V, remove this space, and you can change the trailer. Okay, so it's very good now. Again, I want to bring a scale. I think I have scale here, or I can bring it, no problem. Yeah, scale, I have it. So just move this one to the top, and this one change it to 5. Again, this one change it to 5. So just to be everything like each other. Okay, so this is the scale, and maybe I want to bring date of draw, move, again change this one to 5, that one also to 5, like this. I have to just arrange this text. It's like this, so it's very good. What else I want to bring? Maybe material, maybe, or something else, maybe material. Let's bring material. Again change it to 5. This one again change it to 5. So it's very good now. It is like this. So now I can delete everything, and I can make this one a block. Just select B L for block, enter, and from here you have to change it to the type to this one, page header, and you can select objects from here. Just select this one and click enter, and okay, redefine it. As you see, now it's everything is okay. So you can just bring it to this corner. After that, what I can do, I can bring the material. I can insert material list, for example, from this one, from this area, and you can make like this, a rectangle. And I want to pin this corner, so to be this corner will be fixed now, and the material go up and go to the right. From the template, I made this template before. This mine, it's like this. You can change this one also. I will make a tutorial on that also, how we can arrange this list bill of materials. But for now, I just bring this one and fix here. After that, what I want, want to close this one and save it. Okay, save the file. As you see, save the file. I save it now. If you look at this star, it means that I have made the changes from this file. So just I want to save this one now. Star, go. Okay, go to drawing 2 and make another drawing. For this time, let's say no problem. We can make a single part drawing or similar than the same thing. Just use and change the prototype. As you see, it has a symbol 3, so I don't want to change this one. So just select it, and we will wait till it gives us the drawing, and we will see. So okay, right click and assembly 03. Yes, it's just like we want. The material is this is the material, and this is the scale, and this is the date 22 2019, and this is the list of materials, as you see here. So what about this information, client and designed by, and sorry, I didn't change this one, because I think, yes, this one is not client. I have to export it again. So X, this is the detailer, so I want to just click and detailer. Okay, and detailer. And again, for blog, we have to make a blog again, and from here the page header, and from the select object just select this and enter, and okay, redefine. As you see now, we made our prototype, and just let me close this one and make another drawing for this one. As we said, when we can bring the detailer and the project name and the client, how we can input this data. You can go to from home tab and to the from setting here from the project setting. So what I had a client, maybe let's say Andaza, and another information what we want, designer anyone, maybe my name, and detailer I don't know, anyhow, anyone. It's the same name, no problem, with my father's name. Okay, so I input the data. I want to make drawings. Just use and the same prototype. Yes, I want to use this prototype, and I go to OK, and again open up last file, which is 04. You see now, as you see, the client is Andaza, the designed by Christian, and client, I'm sorry, what happened for that? Again, this one is not no problem. I'll yes, maybe I didn't save this one. Anyhow, no problem, I'll make again. As you see, everything is good except the dimension lines. You see, I don't want to leave these dimensions. I want to change its colors, and I will change this later, no problem. Just let me finish this one first. I have to fix this one. Save. Okay, let me make some other changes. From them, I want to change the dimensions, so D and enter, D space for open the dimension manager, dimension style, and from here I can modify the dimension style. I can change its color. I can make everything. It's just AutoCAD. I don't want to discuss about little more here. I can change the lines color, these lines, and again for another side you can change the arrow types, and you can make everything that you want. Everything you can change the text. You can decrease the width factor. You can make bold, and you can make everything. Okay, just close, and let's say okay, set current, close. Just save this one, and now I have to make another drawing that it should give me the drawings with the last prototype here, the prototype that I use it. Yes, this one. So okay, okay, and right click 05. You see now client, designed by, and detailer, the material, and as you see the text, the dimension lines, everything now is okay. Everything here, the materials, everything is okay. Hope you enjoyed, and hope you this is be useful for you, but before you leave this one, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you very much.